just keeps going, huh?
I don't know. Maybe there's
Almost asleep.
Look at you going back and forth.
You got the bed all painted.
Look at that.
What to do?
Wow. Well, we have such fond
Looks
memories
like new.
when Terry would mow the lawn at our, Kevin would follow with this little one,
Aww.
plastic one, and we remember that so well.
North just stands right here and like just watches everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I turned this corner.
Does he?
Well, that's, you used to wave.
Yeah.
Every time I go by, we'd wave because the lawnmower's so loud you couldn't hear.
Yeah.
But then we'd both wave to each other.
I wonder if I'd like it better if it would go pop, pop, pop when they move it, but maybe there's more to it. Good job! Look at you! Wow! He's doing such a good job on the
I
lawn.
know. I told him he's gonna take over.
That's
Dad.
right, really soon.
Lots of things are gonna take over.
Oh, he cut the tree.
Looks really
Yeah.
good.